What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I just got to AUTOHAUS right now. They're gonna start painting the bumpers, so I came over to get a couple shots of the process and to show you guys a little bit of what's going on and how they do it. So let's go ahead and check it out.
I just finished laying the last coat.
Okay, so it was like clear coat after or what? Yeah.
Wet right now.
Hey, thanks so much, bro. I know like y'all busy and shit, dude.
No, good thing you reminded him. I forgot about it.
Oh, hey, did it go back like in the sun?
Check it out, man.
Yeah. Let's go back here and check it out. So freaking good in person. I don't know if it's like catching the same quality, but super dope. Hey, that's just tight. Dude, that's just so clean. Hell yeah. A new spray?
So this is I think a 700 or 800 spray gun. $800 spray gun.
What? Someone just gifted it to you?
From the UK, Euro shit. It's a Techna gun. So a new gun, painted your shit.
Hell yeah. What's up, Diddy? Mind you, if you don't want me, I'll cut you out though.
What you doing?
I'm vlogging right now, but I just came to see the master at the work. The new spray gun.
If you ready to install tomorrow.
Hell yeah. Wow! Know what you're doing there, bud? First timer? Is that what she said? Imagine having these one of these at the pad. Guys, I don't know if they're messing around or not, but they're gonna use these for water hoses. Goals. I could just use a Ferrari rim for a water hose. Oh, what? That's right. Right after you eat, get it in. Oh, it's been a minute. Squeeze. Ay. Ay. It's been a minute though. Mood. He knows the mood. Swole. Gotta get a pump after you eat, bro. Pooped. Alright, you guys, so seeing how the bumper is getting painted, we're gonna let it dry for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and head out for the night, but we're gonna come back tomorrow and install it. So let's fast forward to that. See you guys in a bit. What's going on, everybody? It's the next day, and finally I've been able to drive the car back. So I haven't been driving it just because I don't want anything to mess up. Timmy's low-key kind of buzzed. And shout out to this guy for coming through after, you know, he was, you know, having a good time to come and help me and get ready for tomorrow. It's currently 11 p.m. So it's like literally almost the next day, and we got to be up like in a couple hours because we got to get up early to like set up for the meet and stuff. So we're gonna try to get this on as fast as we can tonight so we can go get some sleep. So let's get to it. So we kind of low-key ran into a problem. I didn't realize that the guys at West Jones Auto had taken off the brackets from right here. So there's like literally nothing to clip this on. So literally we're just kind of have to like Mickey Mouse it and kind of just try to make it fit for now. And hopefully it looks well enough for me to like make it tomorrow. As you can see, like it's super gap right here. I mean, we got it to hit right here, but this is just so ugly right here. Do not judge us, all right? We gotta do this shit for now because we literally cannot like.
You need that bracket. That's what.
I know that bracket's what we really need. Let me see. All right, y'all. So quick update. We're hella running into to fitment problems, to like, you know, pin screw problems, and it's literally not going like any way that we want it to go. Almost to the point where I'm like, I don't even want to bring my car to show you guys yet, just because of like how ready it's like not with the rear bumper. And some people might be like, who cares? But you know, it's just like a pet peeve. Like, you know, if you know, like in your head when like something about like your car that you know is not right, it just bugs you, it just bothers you. So right now, like I said earlier, we're just trying to like get this kind of situated right here. Don't judge us, all right? We're like using fucking zip tie for now until like we can kind of like really like get it fixed. But like I said, it is like midnight already, and like we're not even going to be able to put on the diffuser. For one, we gotta clean it up a little bit. Let me show you guys real quick. All right, so we did get a little bit of overspray right here of the paint along the diffuser as it was being painted, so I gotta just kind of clean that up, and that way it'll make the 3M stick a little bit. But we're not even going to be able to put this on, especially because it's just not getting on correctly, and we would need more time to kind of just think it through. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. We're literally just trying to put it back together so that it's like drivable, so I can like just, you know, get home. I'll give you guys an update of where we're at as soon as we get this situated. So see you in a bit. All right, you guys, so we did the best that we could. It doesn't look too bad back here. I mean, it looks worse in person, I can tell you that much. So if you guys see me tomorrow and, you know, wondering why this looks the way it is because you haven't seen this video yet, well, that's the reason why. So shout out to Timmy helping me out so freaking late, man. while being buzzed, so I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know I usually do it in my room, but I'm gonna end it here. So if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you guys like the videos, if you hate it. I mean, whatever. I love to interact with you guys. So tomorrow I'll see you guys in the morning. So don't forget to live long and prosper. It's all about longevity, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.